Just a short little video about some of the western red cedar raised bed planter boxes I've been building. So the western red cedar planter boxes that I've been making, started making them last year. Thought I'd get a jump start on it this year, and they are selling incredibly well. It seems with the current world conditions that we're under, everybody wants to start growing their food again. So here's a few more of our planter boxes. These are getting picked up later this afternoon. And just thought I'd do a couple video clips here and throw together a video. Make them all in a variety of sizes. I'll throw in photos of more from last year and earlier this year into the video as well. These ones on the ground. These are 2 feet wide, 2 feet square I should say. And obviously no shelf in the bottom. They'll sit flat on the ground. The other three, these ones have the shelf on the bottom and raised bed on legs. These ones are 24 inches high, 16 inches wide, and 36 inches long. My most popular one is 36 inches long and 36 inches high, and a little bit wider at 20 inches. Those ones are really good. You can do your weeding just standing up, no bending over. And we'll make a bunch of other sizes. I'll throw photos of a variety of them from this year and last year into the video.